Hello everyone, in this video I will walk you through a use case of dynamic zone visibility in Tableau by building a dynamic slide-out panel using set and set action. This approach allows us to show or hide detailed chart based on user selection, keeping our dashboard clean and interactive. When we click a mark on the main chart, a slide-out panel appears with more details. And when we clear the selection, it disappears. It's a powerful technique for creating drilled out experience without cluttering our dashboard. I have already created the required worksheet. For this demo, I am using three charts. The main chart shows sales by subcategory, and the slide out panel includes two charts, monthly sales trend and sales by regions. Let's set up the dashboard first. Go to the dashboard. First, drag a horizontal container. Inside it, put a blank for placeholder. Add a vertical container for the main chart. Drag sales by subcategory. Add another vertical container for the slide out chart and put a blank inside it as well. Drag monthly sales trend inside the second container and also sales by region inside it. Now remove any extra blanks we no longer need. We want our main chart wider than the slide out panel there, so we set its width to 650. We want a border around the slide out panel. Now let's set up the interactivity. When we click a mark on the sales by subcategory chart, we want two things to happen. First, the slide out chart should appear. Second, the slide out chart should update to show data for the selected subcategory. When we clear the selection, the slide out chart should disappear. We will achieve this by creating a subcategory set and a view calculation. Now go to the sales by subcategory chart and create a subcategory set. Create set. For now, select all values in the set. Okay. To test it, drag the subcategory set to the detail shelf and choose show set. Next, we'll create a set action just for testing purpose in the worksheet. So go to the worksheet, actions, add action, change set values. We'll select sales by subcategory. Target set is subcategory set, and clearing the selection will remove all values from set. Click OK. OK. Now test it. When we select a subcategory, it gets added to the set. When we multiple select another subcategory, the set is updated. When we clear the selection, the set is cleared. Now we need a Boolean calculated field to control the visibility of the slide out panel. The logic is straightforward. If at least one subcategory is selected in the set, field should return true. If nothing is selected, then it should return false. So start by creating a calculated field and rename it slide out visibility. We begin with the expression if subcategory set, then subcategory, and we'll count the number of subcategory in the subcategory set. So count distinct of this expression greater than 0. This calculation checks whether there is at least one subcategory included in the set and converts that result into a true and false value. Let's check the value of the calculation. For the selected subcategory, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. However, When we try to use these for dynamic zone visibility, it doesn't appear as an available option. The reason is that dynamic zone visibility requires a calculation that is Boolean that also returns a single value and is independent of the visualization. So to meet this requirement, we need to use a fixed LOD calculation. So let's edit the calculation now. Edit and close the expression in curly braces and click OK. Next, in the dashboard, we need to apply dynamic zone visibility. So select the vertical container that holds the slider chart. In the layout pane, check control visibility using values. Then select now uh, slide out visibility. We select slide out visibility. That is our calculation. To test it, we need to add a set action in the dashboard. So go to the dashboard, actions. We will edit the action we have created already. So select our dashboard and we need to check only our main chart, uncheck the other charts, target set, subcategory set, and clearing the selection will remove all values from set. Hit OK, OK. Another important thing, we need the slider charts to update based on the selected subcategory. So on the dashboard, click the main chart and then in the top right down menu, select use as filter. Here is how the interaction works. When we click a subcategory in the main chart, that value is added to the set. This immediately makes slide out visibility field evaluate to true, which causes the slide out panel to appear. When we clear this selection, the set becomes empty, slide out visibility returns false, and the slide out panel disappears. This use case using set action is powerful because it works reliably even when multiple marks are selected. That's it. We have now built a dynamic slide out panel in Tableau using sets and dynamic zone visibility. These techniques helps us create dashboards that are interactive, clean, and flexible without cluttering the dashboard. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more Tableau tutorials. Thanks for watching.